it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today guys, I've got for you this month's Glossy box unboxing. I'm excited. So yes, we're unboxing this month's Glossy box today. I'm actually really very excited for this one. I've always seen that the October ones have always been fantastic, and the sneak peek, the box looks absolutely beautiful. It's quite celestial, quite me, I suppose. I'm enjoying like the sun moon aesthetic recently. So yeah, I'm really excited. The glossy boxes of August have always had a very good reputation. You know, I've seen various boxes that have been like trick or treat things for Halloween and etc, etc. This one's a possible of 2 different box types. I'm trying to remember, I think there's like some midnighty one and then some kind of enchanted forest one or something like that. I don't know anyway. I'm just really excited to get at it. I couldn't tell you which one I would prefer. The box says I have variation 4, whatever that might mean. I have seen a sneak peek of 2 of the products actually that's in there just from their glossy box, from the glossy box Instagram. But other than that, I don't actually know what's in the box. I wasn't very positive about last month's box. I think I was just expecting more from the Spa box, something a bit like what we've actually got in this month's look fantastic. But I do like glossy box and I am genuinely ridiculously excited to open this. So yeah, without further ado, let's open it up and we shall see which of the box designs I get. Because I don't know. Ooh, I don't know which one I want either. Okay, here we go. It's the Enchanted Spirit box. And the other one's some kind of midnight fantasy, possibly. They both look gorgeous. So this one is like a purple one. It looks very much like a book. It's just beautiful. It says the Beauty Tales. Like I said, it does look like a box. This is definitely like a keepsake box. It's gorgeous. It does have the Glossy Box logo still on the sides, but oh, it's pretty. Like really so pretty. I genuinely really like it. Anyway, let's open it up. And inside, ooh, I think that's usually tied. It's undone for some reason, but that's fine. We get, we had one of these in our Look Fantastic. It's MAC and Look Fantastic have teamed up to kind of create an app that you scan the code and then you can find out a good foundation for your skin and tone and whatnot. So that's what that is. And then last month we didn't get a book. This month I've got 2 booklets. And they both look like they are exactly the same. Okay, so I got 2 this month. I got too much of anything this month. Last month I didn't get any. I was actually really disappointed we didn't get the leaflet because I wanted to tell you all about it. Okay, so before I actually tell you what's in the booklet, Glossy Box is a monthly subscription box. You can subscribe for 1 month at a time. You can subscribe for 12 months at a time. Subscribing for 1 month at a time is £13.25. And if you subscribe for the year, for the 12 months, then each month will only cost you £11.75. That is a subscription that I am on. I do pay for this with my own money. Yes, so anyway, Glossy Box, yeah, beauty subscription. You get 5 products each month. They are lots of well-known brands. There's makeup, skincare, there's like different body treats, you know, hair stuff sometimes. There's lots of nice things anyway. So I won't bore you with what there might be, and let's tell you what there is. So this month's theme is Once Upon a Time. So the write-up on this month says, in a land ruled by enchanting spirits. Is that what this one is? Enchanted spirits. Okay, so this is probably the write-up that's exclusive to our box. Well, my box. So it says, in a land ruled by enchanting spirits, the Beauty Tales, a mystical folklore revered as holding its secrets to the eternal beauty and youth, were shared far and wide across Glossitania. One day, though, invaders conquered the land and dismissed these stories as midnight fantasy. Ah, that's the other box. They forbade individuals from writing or sharing them, but one brave Glossy did. Uncovered thousands of years later in the Glossy archives, we are bringing those magical tricks back to life with bewitching products to enhance your beauty. Filled with 5 entrancing lotions and potions, you can use the concoctions inside to edit this brew. To brew supernatural recipes that relax and soothe the mind. Ooh. Prepare elixirs that transform the look and feel of your skin and create spellbinding guises that enthrall and ensnare. Wow, they really went with the theme. So yes, on the box it does show you the other one. The other one's really pretty too. That's more of a moon box. This one's more of a sunshine box, like a day and night kind of a thing. I genuinely, both of these are kind of like aesthetics I really enjoy, so I wasn't bothered which one I get. So yeah, let's take a look at the prices. Let's take a look at the products. Okay, so the first item we have is from Illamasqua, and it is a deluxe mini product. It is their Hydra Veil primer. So I'll just take it out of the box and show you the packaging. Before we do the little read up, it comes in a cute little pot. Like I say, it's just a mini, but it is a deluxe mini, so you're getting a good amount in here. Does it say how much? We get 7 mils, which is worth £10, and the full size is 30 mils, which is usually worth £34. So it's still worth £10, this little thing. Okay, so it says a part hydrator, part primer, Hydra Veil instantly hydrates and smooths skin through a what am I reading here? Okay. Part hydrator, part primer, Hydra Veil instantly hydrates and smooths skin through a self-leveling futuristic clear gel. Microalgae, vitamin C, and B3 work together to maintain your skin's hydration levels, creating a healthy looking balanced finish. Plant extracts also provide a calming and refreshing feeling, leaving skin fully prepped to apply your chosen foundation. So that should be nice. Yeah, I'm going through primers again at the minute. I've gone back to using the Revolution Pore Primer or whatever it is. No. So that should be nice. I've actually started using an old primer again, and I've kind of tested primers a little bit, so this probably come at a good time. Illamasqua is a fab brand, so this one's a really nice one to have in our box. Okay, next we have something from Bubble Tea, and we've got fairy dust. Fairy dust, this is exciting. So this is their fairy dust foaming bath powder. I love stuff for my bath. I've actually just had something from Bubble Tea in my Look Fantastic unboxing. Check that out if you haven't already. But yeah, I love having baths and things, so this is up my street, and fairy dust, yes please. This one says, create a relaxing concoction to bathe. Create a relaxing concoction to bathing thanks to this mystical fairy dust. Its luscious lavender scent will put you into a dreamy haze and prepare you for a deep sleep. Simply sprinkle the foaming powder into a warm bath whilst the water is still running. Then slip into your potion to absorb its soothing powers. So that sounds like a good, like, just before bedtime kind of a bath. So this is worth £5.99. It is a full-size item. So I love how they say, do not eat or drink. But no, really excited to get that one, yes. Okay, the next item that we have is something from Luna by Luna. It's not a brand I've heard of. We've got a pixie lipstick. Like I said, it's not a brand I've heard of. So this is worth £15. It is a full-sized item. It says this lipstick is so luscious that you will think it's been plucked right out of a fairy tale. Its smooth formula glides effortlessly onto your lips, covering them in a creamy and rich pigment that stays put for hours. Better yet, it won't dry, fade, or settle into lip lines. Simply sweep it onto your lips for a plush-looking princess-worthy pout. Ooh, I love the packaging. It's got a cute little moon on it. So, Pixie, I'm guessing, is the shade. See what it looks like. On the book it looked red. Ooh, okay. That's actually, wow, that's actually a very me kind of colour. It's more of a corally, pinky colour with reddy undertones. It's very, very, very me, actually. So, if I didn't have lipstick on now, I would definitely be wanting to try that. The packaging again has little stars on it. It's a bit of a cheaper looking packaging, possibly. It's just things I associate with, like, you know, the cheap drugstore kind of things you might see when you're picking up your prescription type of a thing. But the outside packaging is gorgeous. The lipstick looks fab. I cannot wait to try it. Okay, our next item is from iSsential, and they are another company that I haven't actually heard of. So this is an under eye enhancer, and it is a deluxe mini. We get 8 mils, which is worth £8. The full size is 20 mils for £24.90. Okay, so I'll just open that out and show you what it looks like. So it is just a little sample size tube. Ooh. Oh, and there's a little bit of information about it in there also. But I'm going to read you the information on the Glossy Box leaflet to see what Glossy Box have to say. If I can shut the box bag up. So this says, this unique product has the power to erase dark circles. Hallelujah. Puffiness and fine lines for up to 10 hours. Wow. A trick in a tube. It forms an extremely fine, invisible, some might say spiderweb-like film on the surface of your skin to disguise all imperfections. Apply to clean, dry skin in 1 to 2 strokes, working from the inner corner of your eye out towards the temple. Used and adored by Hollywood celebrities and makeup artists for over 30 years, this magical cosmetic produces the results in seconds. That one, I don't know why I'm struggling to speak today. This sounds like, genuinely sounds like magic, doesn't it? I mean, I know they're selling it as sounding like magic, but it genuinely... I want to try a little bit on my hand. I know you can't really see this. Possibly. Yeah, like the lines on my... Yeah, might look less defined. I don't know. That's something I'm genuinely, that's another good one for my eyes. The box is doing good, this one. It's doing good. So we're going to move on to our final product now. And this is one of the ones I have seen on the Glossy Box Instagram account. The box itself complements the outside box, the Glossy Box itself, really well. It's beautiful. So this is from the Beauty Clop. This is from the Beauty Crop. Oh my goodness. It's a stargazing blush duo that is worth £18. It is a full size. So I'm just going to open that up and I'll show you. The packaging inside won't reflect, no. Ooh, although it actually kind of does. It's very pretty. It's got like stars and things on there. And if I can open it up without bricking it or one of my nails, we have a little duo. It looks, yeah, they were darker than I was expecting. I was thinking it was going to be more like a highlighty, but it looks more like possibly a bronzer and a blush highlight. Okay, so it says, get ready to create spellbinding looks with this duo of blushes. So they're both blushes, okay. I thought it was maybe going to be a blush and a highlighter. Combining a matte hue with a shimmery shade, these velvety smooth pressed powders can be mixed and matched to create your desired entrancing effect. Sweep the matte formula onto the apples of your cheeks for a healthy flush of colour, or apply the dazzling shade for a lit within glow. Okay, so they look really pretty actually. I'm guessing the brown one, or the browner one, is supposed to be a matte shade, but it doesn't look particularly matte. It looks like it's got a little bit of a shimmer to it. And so does this one. But they look really nice. I'm running low on my current blush, so maybe I'll give this one a try next. Yeah, maybe. Ooh! I was just about to give you a rundown of the products, but we've got a little extra in there. There's a cutie little dark milk Cadbury's little mini chocolate. I haven't tried this dark milk stuff, so yeah, I was going to say no to chocolate, and that's kind of a size I can deal with. That's not going to break your waistline and make you pop your buttons on your shirt, is it? I think that's, wow, yeah. Anything else in there? Okie dokie then, a quick rundown of what we've got in this month's box. I'm actually really pleased with this month's box. I know last month I was a bit like, with the Glossy Box, but I think that was just expected great things from a spa box and I didn't get it. But the products last month weren't bad, they really weren't, and we did get some free chocolate last month too, so woohoo! Anyway, this month we have some fabulous stuff for our bath. Love a bath. We've got this eye cream that sounds like it's going to be just the most magical thing ever. Cannot wait to try that. The lipstick looks like a fabulous colour that I might even put on tomorrow. We have the Illamasqua primer. Our face is going to be prepped, isn't it? Then we've got the blush duo, which looks really pretty. I think that might work for me. And of course, a cute little chocolate bar. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's maybe not the best glossy box I've ever gotten, but I think it's fab. And when you think you get your money's worth, I paid, what, £11.75? And the cheapest item in here is £6, which is like half the price of the box. So I'm really happy. So yay, go Glossy box. You've won me back over. Anyway, guys, before I leave you, I'm going to let you have a little, well, we're going to have a little look at the sneak peek on the back of the box. The back of the book, not the box. So if you don't want to be spoiled, look away now because I'm about to spoil it. So November's sneak peek is, it says, next month we'll be celebrating the magic of makeup, starting with a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette from LA Splash, worth £29. It boasts 8 gorgeous shades that can be built up and blended together to create perfect day to night looks. So it looks like a very neutral palette that will work for most people. And again, it looks like it's got like kind of a starry theme towards it. So that's really me, really like it, really happy. And also, can I just say again, how blinking cute is this box? It's so gorgeous, it really is. I love it, I do. Am I an idiot? I sound like a fool. Right, anyway, guys, drop me a comment and let me know what you think of this box. Did you get this one? Did you get a different one? What did you think? This says it was variation 4, so I'm not sure what others have got yet. I haven't actually delved into that because I don't like to be spoiled. I genuinely like to give you my honest opinions. As we saw last month, it can be really good or it can be not so. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and to give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. I do a glossy box and a look fantastic unboxing every month. I do various hauls. I try out bits and bobs. Take a look at my channel. You will get the idea. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon. And until then, take care. Bye-bye.